Good morning, good afternoon, everyone. It's Ankit. Whenever or wherever you're watching this video, thank you for taking the time out of your busy schedule to watch today's video. I hope everyone's having the best day or the best week of their life. If you found value and are excited about today's video, make sure to hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Today I want to do a quick video about 3 safe dividend stocks that I love and that I have currently in my portfolio, and you should have them in yours too, and they pay out nice dividends. And it's a good way to make passive income while you don't have to do anything. Leave a comment below what your favorite dividend stock is, or what you think is the safest dividend stock in the world. Let's try to hit 3,000 subscribers in 3 months. With all that out of the way, let's get into today's video and talk about the 3 safe dividend stocks in the world. The first safe dividend stock we're going to talk about is Enterprise Products Partners, EPD. Oil and gas companies can deliver their products to Americans across the country the gas must continue flow. Founded in 1968, based in Houston, Texas. Midstream Energy Service Company. Midstream refers to the fact that the company does not produce oil or gas, but stores and transports them to places where they will refine them. It owns several different colossals of oils and gasoline pipelines that carry lifeblood of modern world. In all, Enterprise portfolio includes more than 5,300 miles of oil pipelines, nearly 20,000 miles of natural gas lines that cross 27 of the 48 contiguous states. On the top of that, it has the capacity to store 178.5 million barrels of oil. It operates a number of ports, processing plants, and refineries. Here's a picture of Enterprise services throughout the US. And as you can see, all the different services that they offer and where it's mapped out to. Enterprise clients include some serious heavy hitters in the oil and gas industry. Major producers like Chevron, ExxonMobil pay Enterprise to run their products through its pipeline. Some take the business relationship even further. Chevron is a prime example. In 2019, it entered an agreement with Enterprise to grow its proposed offshore crude oil products in the Gulf of Mexico. Here's SPHD's current stock price, which is $43.72. Let's look at how much dividends it pays out. It pays 1.14, and it's been increasing its dividend / decreasing. So it's been a mix and match, but it's been paying every month at least 1.2. And here's the main website where you can learn more about this ETF. It is low volatility, but keep in mind there's always risk, as you can see right here, risk and other information. The portfolio, and you can find all this information on their main website. The next safe dividend stock is SPHD. The high dividend ETF is living up to its name. SPHD has guaranteed a substantial return over the years, while never missing monthly dividend, mitigating down risk in 2022. SPHD pays a dividend of 3.77, has declined by 2.95% year to date. SPHD is going on the watch list, and I would be very interested to see if its yield exceeds 4%. Here's a graph comparing SPHD to other stocks. Here's another chart that shows the different sectors that are within SPHD as of 8/31/2022. And the last dividend stock that I think is real safe is Starwood Properties Trust. When you look at the max chart, as you can see, it's been staying pretty stable, with this being the lowest point, obviously, right here. And everyone knows what happened around that time. And the dividend yield is 8.55%. The PE ratio is real low. It's 9.24. The market cap is $6.94 billion. This is a REIT, so. And let's look at their financials. They are beating EPS, but revenue, it's taking a slight hit. But this one has a little bit more risk than the other two, but it's also a nice dividend stock you can add to your portfolio. So 2 bonus dividend stocks that I'm going to add to this video are SCHD, which is currently trading at $74.20. SCHD currently has these as its top holdings. And if you want to view all their holdings, you can just go to the main website and click on View All Holdings. And they have some amazing companies within this holding. And they pay a nice dividends. SCHD currently yields a dividend of 3.34%. For a share, that's about $2.48. Payout is every quarterly. Dividend growth is 11%. The ex-dividend date is September 21, 2022. You already missed the date. And here's its dividend history. And the last dividend stock that I added as a bonus is Rouse Capital, ARCC, currently trading at $19.60. It yields a dividend of 9.8%. The PE ratio is 11.77. When you zoom out the max chart, it looks pretty consistent. It had these 2 dips around the 2009 and then 2020, 2020. And when you look at their financials, they beat earnings last 2 quarters. They did miss earnings Q1 of 2022.